Hi everyone, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKit Club. This is my first layout with the new July 2020 kits, and today is product focus, and I decided to go with with the alphas and the word stickers, and with Dear Lizzy sticker book. Kind of sticker book. So I grabbed that Nouveau Mousse from the July color kit and the stencil, and I am working on a craft cardstock, and I really like how this is looking. I love the color from the Nouveau on the craft paper, and yeah. So I'm scrapping a picture from our puppy Odin. We got him back in, I don't know, May, I believe it was May or June. I'm sorry. So this year is kind of crazy, and so I can't remember the proper dates, and yeah. But anyway, we got him a few weeks ago, and he is now 4.5 months old, and he is so big. He's he's just the best puppy in the world, and I snapped this picture on a walk, and he was just looking adorable, and I love it. So you can see on my background paper I also added some white acrylic paint splatters. And now I'm working on my layout. I added 2 layers of vellum behind the picture, and now I'm grabbing some words and the foam thickers from the kits. The word sweet, I believe that's from a Simple Stories collection, and it's very simple. It's just sweet puppy Odin, and I will then start to fussy cut some stickers out. I will stick them to vellum, and I will also grab some flowers from a pattern papers from a pattern paper, yeah. So I am just playing around, and I will just lay everything on my background on the paper so that I can get the idea from the layout. And I knew I just wanted to stay kind of simple on this one. I wanted to let the picture completely stand out, and so here you can see I did some fussy cutting on some paper flowers, and like I said before, I sticked the kind of transparent stickers onto some vellum, and now I'm just gluing everything down. And I really love how this flower and leaf cluster is looking. I will add some dark turquoise thread underneath some of the leaves, and I will also grab some of the green and white sequins from the, I believe that was pink paisley, I believe. And yeah, I'm just playing around and gluing everything down, and I really love the colors, and I really love how the colors are looking on the craft paper. I was thinking about a pattern paper or a white cardstock, but I saw the craft paper and I knew I had to use it. Yeah. So yeah, still going strong with the glue, and I love how this is coming together. And yeah, so these are the July kits. I have said that right. So yeah, and my life is still very busy, very crazy. I'm working a lot and a lot more, so I haven't I had no free days and no vacation or holidays or some kind of relaxing time for the last 4 months now, and I am kind of tired. I'm very tired, and you know, I'm working in a nursing home and nursery, you know, with old people, and it's very, I love my job. I really love my job, but everything else is just it's crazy. It's crazy. So, but let's talk about the layout. I have glued down all of the flowers and all of the leaves, and now you can see I'm bringing in the gorgeous green sparkling sequins, and I'm looking into the Dear Lizzy sticker book for some more stickers to add, and I believe I will add some more, just a tiny word sticker that said free spirit, I believe. And I believe I will do a little break in a second, and then I will have a look, or I believe I will just fussy cut some more flowers, because I wanted to bring in some more of the green over the word sweet. And here I'm bringing in a touch of the gorgeous rainbow striped paper, but I'm only using the green and the blue part, and yeah, gluing down the sequins, and I am totally happy about this page so far, and I am nearly done. So I will just glue down the sequins, and then I will stop for a second, just because of the flower cluster over the word sweet, and then I am done. So I am just gluing down the last pieces, and then I am done. So you will just, oh no, just gluing down the last pieces, the last flowers, the last stuff. And when I think I am done, I will just add some more. So you will see it on the final picture. I have added all of the little teeny tiny puffy stickers, star stickers, the teeny tiny ones from Crate Paper, but you will see that on the close-ups. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I wish you all a great day, and I hope everyone is still safe and healthy, and just making the best out of this year. You know. So thank you, and bye bye.